funny. They hope we don't hit them. I'm pretty good at dodging shit. Driving up here, you learn how to dodge the moose. If you can dodge a moose, you can dodge a car. Oh yeah, be prepared if we're on the highway on the way there and a deer jumps out and we don't have enough time to fucking swerve, I'm whipping this bitch. I'd rather have the ass end get hit than the front end get hit. Less money I gotta pay to get it fixed. Can you pop this trunk? Yeah, sorry about that. I feel like a dick now. I am like so sorry about that, you guys. That's crazy. You are stoked, man. I'm stoked to be alive. I should have.
So here we are back, walking again. We just got in a car accident with a hitchhiker.
That's awesome.
The last thing I want to do.
This happened, man.
The last thing I want to do is walk right now.
That's we'll go under these trees over here. We gotta watch the video. We videotaped the car crash. Holy hell. What a